Kwara State Governor Abdurrahman Abdurrazak says the goal of his administration is to make public schools the first choice in terms of quality of infrastructure and teaching staff. At an education summit in Ilorin, the state capital, the governor submitted that his government has surpassed the UNESCO budgetary threshold of 26%. Correspondent Ibrahim Alege has details.
The Kwara Education Future Summit was organized to understand the current state of education and navigate the gap for a better future.
A standing ovation, please. Shall we appreciate the governor, please?
Governor Abdurrahman Abdurrazak begins by painting a gloomy picture of the huge gap that exists in the Kwara education sector.
No single teacher was seen in 54 of the 368 schools that were sampled. While 23% of students on head teachers' records were not in school during the census. Only 15% of our schools sampled were rated as needing no repair.
In spite of these identified challenges, the governor is positive that the state will develop actionable plans to build a new generation who can hold their own anywhere in the world.
Our goal is to make public schools first choice for all in terms of quality and relevance. As a show of our commitment to education, we have recently surpassed the UNESCO budgetary threshold of 26%.
The summit was attended by seasoned education administrators and specialists who stressed the need for Kwara to give priority attention to the sector.
We need to invest more in education, but we have to invest smartly, wisely, to be able to secure the future of our children.
Recommendations from this summit are expected to be included in the state's education policy. In the meantime, the Association of Professional Women Engineers in the state is equally advocating that more attention should be given to girl-child education. The Association of Professional Women Engineers, Ilorin chapter, says the girl child is disadvantaged in many ways and should be assisted by the society.
We have occurrences of children being kidnapped in secondary schools and even in higher institutions in recent times. This has been a very serious issue to children and to girls particularly.
If a girl child is well educated, the threats will be reduced, will be minimized. She herself will be an educator and train a girl child, and she will train the world.
The lecture was part of the activities marking the Women Engineers Week. Ibrahim Alige, TVC News, Ilorin.